Kaygino khangbar nangna dum lairaga leirize habdi paisa tanba ngamdriba dagidi nangna growth kya purading batarsu nangi mind the new things kya lay batarsu dagi sumaina tawninge khan batarsu dagi sumaina atopa ma tawninge sumaina isu mana tawi sumain tawge dagi mana semgal iba sumaina isemgal kay yam inspiration fange haitarsu ngasi nang chahi ani gi matungda su chahi ahum gi matungda chahi manga gi matungda su adum same place lay je adum lairaga leirize kaygino khang sigi pose kaygino ha matamda nangi surrounding se yamna important way akoina chokotpa matamda koigi surrounding achoba role ma play tawe aduna nangi hainabado show me your friends have to show me your friends and I'll tell you who you are have to who are you becoming have to yam thina important report neba nangi friend circle nanga surround to report se chijina nangi reflection ne boy kadu si mamang da ina yam toina high report neba aduna ngisi me yam da ina haidu se muna tabiyo kaiguma punsi de chokotpa porake haitardi chokotpa nangi life the chokotpa favor ma'am lakhange nangi growth se thualake legi nangi everything change to ke haitardi nangi surrounding je home group pam tarka tai loser ma'am singa wakhan thokpa ngamdaba yu thakpa dagi ngam taw ni shada ngaw leiba dagi di matam mangan leiba dagi di wazao ngang leiba mi singa sung pul leitardi thabaki tawtaba wazao du ngangba adu mi ngon uthokpa dagi du malala leiba dagi mi ne khara haiga na kalak mi hoga chawba jealousy ne wangba bi shida ba ba moy yam chawbi ta moy yam na mi oi be ta torpa ade mi ngon na oisu oidra ba haibiba moy singje ko pun tardi nangi punsi to ka da growth sunglak lawai ngasi iraga thamawro sawning mi chaw suno moy ka pun tardi nangi punsi da growth sunglak lawai kai gino moy di wakhan yam then ba moy ki kokta kainta leite moy ki kokta leije matam mahan ba juar sana ba time waste to ba wathi ware ngangna ba lepung pham ba changa khar thonga chara nungdang yu khadak chalaga matam mahala loisan gi ba adudagi hen ba moy ki kokta growth have a poche moy ki kokta yaute ba growth discuss to da dangi surrounding do quite ki useless ba surrounding ne ba growth have a poche every day discuss to gudat ne ba nangi girlfriend go ibe nangi family go ibe nangi brothers go ibe growth ever pose yaudragadi nangi punchi you are not moving forward in your life aduna sigumba growth community si am important oi si important oi bisna aini ngasi mayam gi dam growth community am link chaine sigi communities da prime entrepreneurs haiba communities in prime entrepreneurs to which pose kai no ha matam da 3 months ki program oi gani ba sigi 3 months ki program the first month I going to discuss to guru pose kai no antam da discuss not only have the discuss khatang natab idea validation program lakani sigi ideas have the namon the idea kya am lerangani the namon the doubt kya am lerangani karam business hodo is pasha ta khala kadun idea investment yam chawna lei sunate kamaina hodo pungam budagi haiba gi chingnaba kya am lerangani sigi pot ma'am singje hundreds and thousands of ideas ma'am Peter kini Peter agan discuss to guni ba si jina nangi the right idea ne denang drop shipping model da hodo kadra denang gi sigi pot mingon de local la hodo kadra namon the investment kya to bungam ni nang kari business hodo denang the right business way gani haibna chingum ma'am singje 1 month se pura analyze to guni analyze to everything strategy ma'am sing loi talakani ba isamang adu tala amatung the 1 month next ki sigi first month ta to launching program the business se kamaina launch to gudage haiba gi stage da koi nei nothing adu hek lore matung the second month da koi to gudage marketing karam na kamaina ng bashatan ba hobo ya de pasha se kamaina la han ngata ge lagi nang business as branding kamaina shama kadage ai ge experience ma'am sing share da ge di advertisement kamaina chala na pasha kamaina tang khalakani de ads kamaina shoot tongni right product packaging kamaina tongni karam na kamaina sitagi nang business se pasha khar la halaga revenue stream la halani sitagi nang kamaina sangat pe yarni haiba ma'am sing je second month da koi discuss to rani yam tena hairabani koi no ji harise dugo third month nangi networking system semgalakani sei se founders elevation founders amoina karam na kamaina public speaking tawni karam na kamaina communicate tawni karam na kamaina confidence ni karam na kamaina pitch tawni kai gino hantam sei se manipur technology innovation hub na full support pira ani sei se ko haibidi aina loi thajalamani sigi post de haibidi yamna hotna janing ba launch to banga mak stage ma'am sing loi post to propose to sagi fund raise tawna mapan lam gi fund ma'am sing je karam na kamaina business ki fund fa kani de kai dogani hyper ma'am sing moina full guidance pe bira ani dagi no the full support pira ani ko haji loan kamain lor kani business kamain chokala kani dagi scale up kamain to kani hyper ai ga moiga pullaga sei is a new things na the police to 3 months ki program se to ko dina aduna sei is hona janing ga bigiti yam thina biggest opportunity ne sei is the right people ma'am sing 35 40 people ma'am sing communicate to ani every day new things new business ki ideas main to ga is main to inspiration phanga ani adugi what ma'am sing do yam na darka le sei is ne growth community hyper sei is na discuss to ko na the new things to na pola ani nang pashatan banga ma ani ching ma'am sing je sigi growth community mo se lakani aduna interested original ma'am sing na eni ngasi haja du ja in khada link hapcharamge si changbiro ga details se fadana fill up to biro dubu only interested with I should have fagi to put serious with me palms the you know 3 months in a picture limited city 35 to 40 people could Koduna June 20 the Hobogi plan Aduna stage Ishana Wakan Muna can be if Shigi Gumba communities and business that Tatasing Kongani a fund darka labor the Gidi network darka labor the Gidi loans business darka labor online business kimam the hand growth on a business management yimam the Pashaka mine manage only team combine built only business combine manage so can hand hanging boy daddy you are welcome. Prime entrepreneurs North is kid among the prime entrepreneurs hyper communities join Towing Batardi, Makale link up Charam Bureau, form fill up the bureau. You are welcome at see you, sir. Sijima Kanga about growth later Punchibu Kai Punchino, Kari Mari how to Kanana Namunda, Namunda Kari inspiration from Duno, Kanana Namunda, a she means in hyper was a tapa yap and demand for what chocolate for one positive over thinking when it's Kana Lakaduno. And then even in the palm lifestyle man from the Kai de Porcaduna because no one the growth ever puts like tray every day. No one the new things have was discussed of the Moimaka Chaluni, Hamurakan, the comfort zone, the Modi comfort zone the labor from them. Was on the hanging to get a speciality. I don't know how smite or see Tamba face, smite or time waste over face. Moy is the Moy the what and book table. Comfort zone the name we lazy. Comfort zone the dum like Fogadum. I did Makin, Mamakita, Isum, some Hojalapa, as they put Tangani, Fuya, Kachum, Salakadu, Haying. Serandran Torogaduna hang, she said to be the dynamo Yauriba, the Giti, I know the harsh of a word I had and get on senior push like it to imagine. Nupita Dinabiba, Nupita Kutaba, Nupita Gipashaloba, Serandra Matoviba Mamsing, just she was thinking Mamsing in the neighbor. Growth later on from the change the way. Growth later on from the Nangi surrounding on a fun and Shiba Mana boy, on a fun and Shiba me, get out of that. Get out of that. You know, the Punchia possess my with them, surrounding I possess my with them. The Nangi network say network, they have the Chumaneko. Nangi surroundings the growth of a meal tardy. No one the favor breaker. I know more life the grow have a post a palm. Palming is I know a business, I'm talking, and I who do can full support breaking. Yes, by edited my toxi. So my is no full support breaker. I guess you can't fund and you can't fund benefit when you benefit dominacy, have your country like Kadiba. No one think away walk allow. I do not get okay, no one the hang. Then a business I'm get loan looking up a tarso. Then a business I'm holding when the fund later batarso, idea later batarso, Karigum learn to in batarso, Karigum from the sun in batarso, Moina no one the Matang Pank and Moina no one the help Pira Kaniba. I do losers in the Punta ticket or Nangi minds, I don't frustration or like any Giti, Nangi mit the Moju oil, the Vinanju oil, have a Kalo, the Mananju, Nangafana inspire with Tarsu, Nangfana Sativa me with Nangfana strong person and with Tarsu, Moy gets up on a Salakani, and you don't want that. I don't know, she missing take a puntardi, Nashi ain't a highly missing like power money, young video mamsing, Kautopi, or Moy Laptopi, Moy take a laptop Nabahan Topi, Moy take a laptop or Matunda. Alone Matam Kra alone when you came Kaide. Good things cut of Butabo. None one and Nasana Sada Matam Crapiro. Moy out of the yard they have open Jalakan, depend where can with Nasagi Matam Crapizero, Pizera Kanda. What do I want in my life? Kainu Nana Pami Pote. Karma business on Anton music. Karma from the Chatting is a high pote. Masichi and Stow Dragadi, Nangi Yam Tanger Niatamatam Chuk the next growth I have a pote. Discuss every day growth came under discuss talk with up neighbor. Karam Nakamai Chatkani, Karam Nakamai Kakatani, Karam Nakamai Kaya Wuni, like Pumpamaga, Watingang, Nupiangi, Watito labor, they share from Warito labor, the Gidi Mishasabe, Watito labor, she's running it, which they came home of labor. Have the idea who's holding I get to 12 pass with an ID, at the graduation with my telephone, Kine Matam Ching ID. You have to help yourself. Nasana Sagi Mating Pangdam have them Matam Chupa and Jingo. Nasana Sagi Mating Pangdagan came the growth of Unabo. People have a pote, Nasinangi surrounding the Miki, we have a potellate table. We have Nanga Saj and Nasaneva. Because Nanga help to the Ishonus Nangi Mating Pangway, Kanangi Mating Pangway, Nanga help to Wakanda, Nanga growth Seporakanda, growth of a mission in Nanga, Nanga loser get at the Lega, and Pamala, Pumpamala, Pritchagai, Tolega, Wati, Waranga, the Gini Shaka, Laga, Pamela, Kananga, Tractor. Nupina for Nangaluin Arroy, Mika under the Lakalini. Take one them because then high value men were extra name, high value person and work name. High value person have was and then produced away, but make no palm where a cup of shadow pung of the dirty, growth for pung of the dirty, like Pumpum boy dirty, you are useless. Of Jiki generation, you are useless, totally useless in it. So do not grow yourself. Growth for Namaka with the guy the surrounding the change the Butamo, right people the Punmatamo, Shimatam the missing and ego the love to missing it in a Batamo, Karikari like it. I mean on the non swamty, Migi Makonchu put swamty. No, I'm not saying that. But get up. Get up to organ and chat like a moiga tanero, Tanera Maton the Moiga Warishanero, Kai new things I learned okay. Nana Hanala maybe all friends circle do Hosiki friends circle, they know the difference like a Hani Yango. I do not meet Pangtok, not to be just some Wakan Saga, like a Wakan Saga, like a Moida higher Cantana, or Moinas Mahak, and when discouraged story or you were written. Moina hide on the tumor. Moina see Moina to Wungam the Bayan want to do Harito. Moina to Wungam the Potanang shoot mine or Henning, but get Harito. Nanga to Wungam Tardik at the width of the boy. Kick them out. Tarka Suntata Day. darka sungta ta de nangunda nangi life the growth have pot se later on from the sunglai lebi. Growth is the most important thing. Nang pamiba lifestyle, nang pamiba hingni ba yum, nang pamiba gari, everything nang pamiba business growth taloi lai growth ta. When you start investing, adugi poto lakani. Adugo growth lai roi de from the sum lai tardi adum nangi adum manung chum nam jangar. Ningjing o ishona namunda kokta namunda fauri pot se kari ngum tong ngam fauri ba inspiration am lai ba moi da fau da pot namunda tungan nam lai pot se because see ishona namunda calling pira ni namunda have the you can do something big. Namunda ina kari ngum pot ma pi from go and do it. But adu matam nang matam mangal laga moi ka pula lai ka sum ke lai tardi you will never go. Ma pishatan be lambel ke lambel ngata ne pick na hogudam ne pishatan bai ba pot se chong na hogudam se fail kara wa gedam ne pot sting ne thengna gadam ne experience ta la kadam ne matam du nang ne heng 3 years ki matung the 4 years ki matung the when you look back nang khalakani shigi videos na it changed my life er photo ha ka kaino nam da nang madum khan biro ji nang gi surrounding la iba matam da nang stuck ne ji voice asan du khang bira man ji nang stuck ne voice nang gi surrounding ji la iba kan da mayam sing du fun matam nang gi brain wash out thokum tam da frustration en kalak matam da nang kem to ngam ju adu shar ku dai ithanda lai ra ka ithanda focus big ai work da even if I sounding but even if I frustrated or itazu I'll get back, I'll go to that, I'll win it. Hai po du gi pot lai ga dam ne adu pot sungai lai tre aduna nsi ina hai mayam sing je angang hai plate ang hai plate no pi ha plate pa plate growth hai pot se lai tre ga di get out of that. Any community growth later on from the labor sung da darka sung ata you don't deserve that. You should grow every day. No man gi sung grow to kudang no man chokpan na lak kadam ni paisa tan bangam ju kai no because na adu maps ke pun by knowledge lak tabagi skills lak tabagi no no new things tam bangam tabagi adu right people sing the right community sing pulak tadi ke dawrani nangi growth sum lak ni growth community sum chang ko matam da moina su no da mateng pang kani right network no da mateng pang kani paisa lai tam matam da okay sumai to de sang sumai na paisa tan be sumai na ai mateng pang ke have pot am lak ni and that time you will grow in life.